Welcome to a video manual of Trackimo device activation. This is a standard package of Trackimo. It includes the following: a waterproof case, back cover with clips, a lanyard, magnet, small screwdriver, warranty and text manual, two pieces of scotch, cable, and the device itself. Blue LED means it is on and active. Red LED is lit only when turned on or off. Welcome to the Trackimo.com website. We are going to activate the device, but first what we need to do is to open an account for the device. Pick any email engines and let's create a new account. I use Gmail for this video. Do create something you will remember or write it down for the future use. After finishing the sign up and the verifications, we are now proud owners of a new account. Go back to the Trackimo website and choose Sign Up. Write the new email and a password you will use on this site. Wait for the registration email from Trackimo. When it comes, accept it. We were redirected to activation window. If we write down our email and password, we will gain access to the control room of the device. It is also where we activate the device for the first time. Welcome to the control room. We are going to start with activation. Make sure your device is charged and turned on. Press Add Device and follow the steps. Enter the ID number that is written on the device or on the device's box, the last four numbers of the IMEI number, and press Next. It will locate your device and offer you the prepaid plan of 12 months. Accept, press Finish. Your device is now activated and ready to be used. You can see it on the map. Now let's update device settings. The speed, the keys, the moving alert, the battery alert, the tracking period, and the icon if we want. For more settings, please see the separate Trackimo video. In device details, we can see our subscription, where it has started and when it will end. Basically, your device is now ready to be used. It's been activated for the first and the only time you need to worry about that. From now on, you just log on to your control room and follow it, track it, and use it regularly. Thank you for watching. We wish you a good day. Golan Spy Shop team.